Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we'll be looking at the Benchy Carbon, which uses a solid carbon heatsink, meaning there is no need for any liquid. This allows you to simply pick it up and go, unlike glycol systems where you would need to drain and then replace your glycol. It is also ready to accept a wide range of power options, meaning that it is suitable for indoor and outdoor use. Let's go through the details. The Benchy Carbon weighs in at under 20 kilos or 44 pounds and is nice and compact at 233 by 400 millimeters, which is approximately just over 9 inches by 15 inches. I have had no issues in having it sit in the footwells of my car seating when travelling, but it could also sit in your boot and not take up much space at all. The Benchy is supplied with the very latest Nuka taps with flow control by standard, ensuring that you get the best pours available on the homebrew market today. This unit has approximately 150 watts of cooling power, meaning that you can chill 8 litres of beer per hour based on normal ambient temperatures. The Benchy Carbon is also very power efficient and only draws 60 watts when the compressor is running, and idles at just 1.6 watts the rest of the time. Within the unit is an entire refrigeration system that uses the environmentally friendly R600A refrigerant. This allows for a lighter and more power-saving design. The Benchy Carbon can be run via DC power from 12 to 24 watts, meaning that you can power it via a car cigarette lighter or portable batteries, and it can also be run on AC power from 110 to 240 watts, allowing you to simply plug it in where conventional power is available. This makes it perfect for caravanning, camping, as well as normal indoor use too. For those wishing to power this via DC, there are optional extra Anderson cables that offer different configurations as shown on screen now, like alligator clips for connection directly to a battery or a cigarette lighter option. Below the power connections you can see that we have 2 serving hose fittings that allow you to connect and serve from 2 kegs. These are both duo-type fittings for quick connection and release and support 8mm OD silicone hosing. Plastic inserts are provided to keep everything clean when the unit is not in use. Further up at the back of the Benchy Carbon is a power button and a PID controller, so let's have a closer look at this now. This controller allows you to set the hysteresis for temperature, which governs how much temperature gain will be allowed before the Benchy starts to cool, and also the temperature that you wish to cool your served beer down to for consumption. In my testing I found that cooling is fast and easy, and there is usually less than a minute's wait between each glass pour to ensure that the beer was served at a correct temperature, which is certainly accurate enough too. This doesn't make it suitable for a busy bar, but it is very effective for parties and gatherings in general. From power up to being ready to serve you can expect to wait usually around 10 minutes in my experience, which is very fast compared to many others that can take as long as 4 hours. You can pour 8 litres of temperature controlled chilled beer from the Benchy Carbon per hour, or more if you are happy that the beer is a little warmer than your set temperature. I find the Benchy Carbon to be the ideal ultra-portable solution for people like me who are always on the move and want to be able to serve beer no matter where you are. The outer construction here is a tough stainless steel, meaning that the Benchy Carbon is as robust as it is compact and efficient. To finish up, here is a look at the Benchy Carbon in use being run from a car's cigarette lighter 12-volt socket. To my mind, flexibility is what drives the Benchy Carbon above other solutions, because no matter where you are, if you want to serve chilled draft beer, then the Benchy Carbon will allow this with a very short waiting time. This combination, along with Nuka tap flow control faucets for the best pour, is certainly hard to beat for the price and the footprint. I do hope that you found this video useful, informative and interesting. If so, why not consider liking and subscribing? For further support you can join the channel's Facebook group, and if you would like to support the channel then check out the channel's merchandise store, as all profits go back into the channel. Until next time, happy brewing!